In this quick video, you will learn how to generate images with ChatGPT for free. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So to generate images using ChatGPT, we need to open ChatGPT in your computer, or you can simply use ChatGPT app for your mobile devices as well. Once you go to ChatGPT, then here we need to log in with our account. If you don't log in here, then you won't be able to generate images. So for that, firstly we need to log in here. You can log in here with your Microsoft account or your Google account. I want to log in here with my Google account. So for that, I'll select it and then type your email address. Now enter your password and then hit enter on your keyboard to sign in here. As you can see, I have successfully signed in here with my Google account. Once you sign in, then just enter your prompt in your message area. Once you enter your prompt and submit it, ChatGPT will start generating your image. And there you go, I have successfully generated an image using ChatGPT for free. If you want to download the image, then tap on this download icon which is on top. If you tap on it, your image will be downloaded in your computer. You can simply click on it to view. If you want to generate different aspect ratio image, so for that we just need to mention our aspect ratio. So as you can see, I have mentioned my aspect ratio which is 16:9, and then we just need to give our prompt and then we need to tap on submit to submit our prompt, and then it will start generating. There you go, it has successfully generated an image for me. If you want to download it, tap on the download icon and it will be downloaded in your computer. We need to remember one thing, that ChatGPT will only allow 3 to 4 generations in a day. If you want to generate more images than that, then we need to purchase their paid plan, or you can simply use different Google accounts to generate multiple images. So this is the method to generate free images using ChatGPT. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching.